While many in education are trying to replicate the in-classroom experience for an online environment, Dramatic Results is reimagining virtual learning for a post-COVID world. Using the design thinking process, we've engineered online STEAM learning experiences with students and educators' needs in mind. Our teaching artists act as content experts and facilitators. Their unique experiences allow them to pose deeper questions for our learners, thereby creating a student-led environment that's engaging and minds-on. Students are gaining the confidence to express their ideas, developing their comfort for giving and receiving feedback, thinking critically to solve problems using empathy, and learning to be resourceful with the materials available to them. And all of this is happening online. We've developed and tested strategies and online tools so that classroom teachers don't have to. When you bring a Dramatic Results program into your school, teachers have an opportunity to experience and gain these valuable strategies in cultivating students' 21st century skills in a digital world, allowing Dramatic Results' impact to continue beyond a single program. To book a program or learn how we can tailor the learning experience to meet your school's unique needs, contact Dramatic Results.